In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a shared tab and to a joint account in Monzo. If you're splitting day-to-day costs like dinners, rides, or household bills, a shared tab keeps everything tidy and transparent. If you're managing ongoing finances together, like rent, groceries, or savings, a joint account gives you one shared place to spend from and keep track of money long-term. I'll walk you through both step by step so you can choose what fits your situation best. Let's start with inviting someone to a shared tab. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. From the home screen, head to the Payments tab. This is where Monzo groups features related to sending, requesting, and organizing money. Tap Request. Here, you'll see the option to create a new tab. Go ahead and select that. Now choose the contacts you want to share expenses with. This sends an invitation to them in Monzo, and once they accept, you can start adding purchases to the tab as they happen. Shared tabs are designed to keep a running total of who owes what, so you don't have to do the math yourself. A quick tip. Double check you've picked the right contacts and that everyone is using the same currency and settings so the totals make sense for the whole group. If someone can't see the invite right away, ask them to open their Monzo app and check their notifications. Now let's invite someone to a joint account. From your Monzo home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. In your account options, select Open a Joint Account. When prompted, invite your partner from your contact list. They'll receive an invite to join you. A joint account is a shared bank account, so both of you will see the same balance, the same transactions, and have equal access. It's built for ongoing shared finances rather than one-off splitting. Keep in mind, your partner will need an active Monzo account, and you should both be comfortable managing money together because you'll be co-owners of the account. It's a good idea to agree on how you'll use it, what goes on the joint account versus your personal accounts, so expectations are clear from day one. To recap, use a shared tab for flexible bill splitting without merging finances, and use a joint account when you want to fully manage money together over the long term. Follow the steps in the app, send the invite, and you'll be set up in minutes.